Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Proton VPN secure email bridge with Apple Mail, full guide step by step clearly. To enable the Proton VPN secure email bridge with Apple Mail, begin by launching the Proton VPN application on your device. Once the application is open, sign in using your Proton account credentials. Navigate to the dashboard and select the secure email bridge option from the available features. You will see an option to download the configuration files needed for the secure email bridge. Choose the configuration file that corresponds to your email provider, typically in the form of an IMAP or SMTP file. After downloading the file, open Apple Mail on your device. In Apple Mail, go to the Mail menu at the top left and select Add Account. Choose Other Mail Account from the list of options and click Continue. Enter your name, the email address you want to configure, and for the incoming mail server, enter the IMAP server address provided in the Proton configuration file. Input your Proton email address as the username for the incoming server settings. For the outgoing mail server, use the SMTP server address also provided in the configuration. Again, input your Proton email address for the outgoing server username. In the password field, enter the same secure password you used earlier. After filling in these details, click Sign In to proceed. If prompted, verify that all settings are correct and click Done. Next, go to the Mail menu and select Preferences. Check that the account status shows as online and is syncing correctly. Once verification is complete, navigate back to the Proton VPN application and ensure that the secure email bridge is active. With your Proton account and Apple Mail configured, you can now send and receive emails securely. Test the configuration by sending a test email to ensure everything is working as expected. If issues arise, revisit your settings and the Proton configuration files for any discrepancies. Maintain an open connection with Proton VPN while using Apple Mail to ensure complete security. Your Proton VPN secure email bridge is now fully enabled with Apple Mail, providing you with a secure email experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.